Hi guys, a new day and a new recipe for you all. This time we are making vanilla caramel pudding. This is all about taking away your sweet cravings. For this we need a basic vanilla sponge cake. I have listed this recipe in the description box down below, or you can use any other recipe. I have made these crumbs out of the vanilla sponge cake. You can just use your hand and make it. I'm using a 12-inch dish to make this pudding, so the crumbs will depend upon the size of your dish. We'll start by making our thick vanilla custard. For this you need 4 cups of milk and we need to boil it. Till the time it comes to a boil, we'll make our custard paste. We need 4 tablespoons of custard powder. Add little by little milk to it and just keep whisking it. We do not want any lumps. We want a paste. And once the milk gets warm, we'll add sugar. Let the sugar dissolve and then add the custard mix. Add again little by little so that it doesn't form lumps and keep stirring it. Do not switch off the flame at this point. Your flame should be medium high. Just keep moving it. You will see a change in color and it will start to thicken. Just keep whisking it, and once you get the right consistency, switch off the flame. Now we'll be making our caramel sauce. For this we need half cup of sugar, and to this we'll add 1 tablespoon water. Just let this melt nicely. Keep moving it a little if required. Once it has started melting and it changes color, we'll add butter to it. Butter actually stops the caramelization process. I used 1/4 cup of butter. Just mix it well and now add fresh cream to it. I'm using 1/4 cup of fresh cream. Just mix it well and then again you will start seeing it thicken a little and break all the lumps. Once you get the right consistency, put it off flame and let it cool. Once the caramel sauce is cooled down, transfer it on a piping bag. It is easy to pipe it from the piping bag on top of the pudding. Now we will take our cake crumbs, and to this I'm adding a little bit of cream. You can use anything that you want just to make it a little moist. Now layer the cake crumbs. Give it a good thick layer and freeze it so that it is easy for you to spread the caramel sauce. Now again the caramel sauce will depend upon you. Too much of caramel sauce will make it very sweet. Just spread it all around. Add a little nuts. It will bring a nice crunch to the cake. And then add the custard. Custard I'm using once it's cooled down. Just spread it evenly and then chill it in the freezer before you add the next layer. Now again start by adding the vanilla cake layer, and be a little gentle, otherwise it'll all sink in. And it is very important to freeze the custard, otherwise the vanilla will sink. And I'm topping up with the caramel sauce, chopped nuts, and my final layer of the vanilla custard. Once it is done, let this sit in the freezer for around 2 to 3 hours before you start piping the caramel sauce. This again is an optional step. It just makes it look a little funky. Just put any design that you like and you're good to go. If you like this recipe, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye. Thank you.